This hospital is owned by Jeet's friend's father. I somehow managed to avoid the police case. Dripto was very eager to inform the police, but I discouraged him on the pretext of your bad health.
Everything is done. But I just have one regret. Had Dripto drunk that poisoned milk even at midnight, he would have definitely died. No one would have found anything at that time. They couldn't have taken him to the hospital. And suppose, even if I did not survive, the future of my sons would have been secured. Had I died, Topobrata would have given them the property for sure on grounds of sympathy. What do you say? Am I right?
Just be quiet. Why would you die? Don't talk nonsense, okay? Sanjukta, you know what? As you have already taken such a huge risk, I will never let your sacrifice go in vain. I will not let it happen. Those two are your enemies right now. That Dripto and that girl, Trineni. I promise that I'm going to kill that Dripto and that Trineni. And Trineni? I won't let Trineni leave the house so easily. You're suffering because of her today. I'm not going to spare her. She made a big mistake, Sanjukta. And she'll have to pay for that mistake with her life. I shall make sure she gets a painful death. I'll kill her right in that house.
Who is it? Who is it? What is this? And where did it come from?
Have you come from some other planet? That's chocolate. It's a food. Eat it.
You?
You're angry with me, aren't you? I forced you to enter the house. Grandma got angry and locked you up here. I'm feeling really bad. Very sorry. Please don't get angry with me.
No, I'm not angry with you at all. Do you know how Dripto's mother is now?
Yes. Grandma said they had called up. Mother is better now. She has regained consciousness.
Now I'm finally relieved. Okay, can I say something to you?
Sure.
Can we both please search for the bottle of poison? Actually, grandmother asked me not to leave this room. And you live in that house. So can you please search for it once? I'm sure you will find the bottle.
I think I need to do everything, you know. I am going to search for the bottle. Okay?
Listen, excuse me. Let me know if you find the bottle.
Of course. Bye, Trineni.
Lotus, I hope she finds the bottle of poison.
Even I want to know who the culprit is, Doctor. But But if the police gets involved, Mom will have to answer a lot of questions. I don't want that to happen. Look at Mom's condition.
I understand. But if the police had found the poison bottle, it would have been a lot easier to nab the culprit, Mr. Dripto.
Will we be able to find the poison bottle if we search the house? It's important in whose room it's found.
What are you thinking?
Doctor, I'll be back from the ICU.
Don't worry at all. No one suspects you after you drank the poisoned milk. Now, gradually, we need to make others suspect that girl Trinayani.
Uncle.
Oh no. I hope Dipto didn't hear anything. What's the matter, Dipto?
Uncle, you stay with Mom. You don't go anywhere, okay? I need to go home right now.
Why? Has anything happened at home?
Nothing has happened yet. But it will happen now. I'll see. I'll try to find the bottle of poison. Then it'll be clear to me who is responsible for my mom's condition.
Oh Lord, the bottle of poison. The bottle of poison is in my room. If it's found in my room, oh no, I can't think about it. Stop him.
Dripto, just don't go anywhere. Can't you see your mom is looking for you all the time? Why do you need to go home now and search for it? I'll do it if you want. Go be with her. Go. Come on, sit there.
Deepu.
Go on.
Yes, Mom.
Deepu, where are you going? Where are you going, leaving me? Where are you going? Please don't go. Please don't go.
Can't you see that your mom doesn't want to leave you even for a moment?
Uncle, I'm doing this only for my mom's sake. And the doctor has said that mom is out of danger now. Therefore, instead of sitting here, I must ensure my mother's safety first. Let me go home alone so that no one can fool me. The one who did this to my mom, I want to identify that person myself.
Please go out now. The visiting hours are over.
Mom, you get some rest. I'll come again, okay?
Deepu.
Dripto, where are you going? You won't go now. Your mom is calling you.
Vicky. Go and stop him, Vicky. If you can't stop him, go with him. Listen, give me Piku's phone. Otherwise, I won't get to know what is happening. I'll be too worried, Vicky.
Wait. Let me handle this.
If Dripto starts looking for the bottle of poison at home, maybe Topobrato will help him. I have a lot of enemies at home. Oh Lord, It shouldn't be a mess at the last moment. What if I get caught?
Priest? Topabrotto. Is everyone at home all right, Topabrotto? How is Dripto?
I have found Dripto's protective shield, priest. I have come here to just inform you that.
That means, as far as I have found out with my foresight, Dripto's protective shield will be his wife.
Yes,
What are you talking about?
I'm also talking about Dripto's wife.
Why hasn't Rangana come yet? Didn't she find the bottle of poison?
What's the matter, Dripto? Why did you stop?
You carry on, I'll be there. You couldn't. You couldn't take my mom away from me. It said that no one can harm the one whom God protects. Dad got blessed flowers. Mom regained her consciousness the moment it was touched to her forehead. No matter what others wish, God will definitely protect my mom. No one can harm her. No one!
I am sure it was the flower I sent. Otherwise, where would father find any flower? Lourdes, you answered my prayers. You saved Dripto's mother's life. Now, please, Lourdes, expose the person who poisoned the milk. Please expose that person, Lourdes, please.
I know, priest. Unless and until I'm able to find out the real culprit, everyone is going to blame that Trineni. But she's not like that, priest. She's always very eager to help others by risking her own life, but she can never harm others. And the girl who came so far to this unknown city, unknown place where she doesn't know anyone for Dripto, why would she try to harm him, priest? Priest, I'm certain that Trineni is Dripto's protective shield. But neither mom or Dripto is trying to believe that. Priest, my priest, you are my only hope now. If you say, they will definitely believe it. Priest, please explain to Dripto that Dripto and Trineni are meant to be together for all eternity. Please come with me, priest. That girl is suffering as everyone is blaming her and humiliating her. I'm not able to tolerate her suffering anymore.
I can understand. You do love that girl a lot. That's why you are so disturbed. But Topabrotto, how can you be so sure that she's Dripto's protective shield?
Priest, I'm a father. Won't I realize who wishes good for my child?
Yes, you will realize that for sure. But there is nothing to realize about who the protective shield is, Topabrotto. We need to actually check the positions of the stars and planets. We need to check the zodiac signs and horoscopes. Everything matters. One needs to study all this to figure it out. Topabrata, before you be so sure about all...
Priest, you don't need to believe me. Please come to our home once. Meet Trinani once. You will know why I'm saying this with so much conviction, priest.
Hey, bring everything! Hurry up, bring all the bottles from wherever you can. I don't have time at all. No, not this one. Keep it here quickly. Oh no! I can't wait for so long. Keep them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, keep it here. Wait. Which bottle is this? There's pickle in it. Wow! Dripto, when did you come? I'm playing a new role today. I'm a detective. Detective Rangana Basu.
Rangana, what is all this?
I've gathered all the bottles here from the kitchen and from the storeroom, from everywhere. Only the bedrooms are left. We need to find the bottle of poison. Tan-tan.
Can the bottle of poison be this big?
Oh. What do you mean?
Uncle, let's go.
Coming. Control your stupidity a little bit, Rangana. You'll make an entry in the Guinness Book otherwise. And why are you being foolish? Why are you dancing to her tunes? Take these away immediately. So Dripto, from where will you start searching?
Deepu? How is Sanjukta now?
Actually, Dripto, I was thinking something else. Pratima likes Sanjukta a lot, you know. Oh, sorry. She just can't tolerate her. Can we search her room first to look for the bottle of poison?
What did you say, Vicky? I hope you are in your senses. What do you mean by you will look for the poison bottle in my room? Deepu, you...
Uncle, I'll search all the rooms in this house. Moreover, my mom has lots of enemies in this house. But as of now, let's go to the terrace. We need to check the attic too, okay? Let's go.
You go to the terrace and the attic. Let me search the other rooms.
Why do I have to tolerate all this, Lord? How could Deepu suspect me too?
Sanjukta said the bottle of poison was inside the pillow cover. Let me check. I need to get rid of this now.
Uncle? I have already seen what you are doing.
What? What did you see?
Just that you're looking for the poison bottle in Mother's room. You can continue. Let mother come. I'll tell her that you thought mother poisoned Dripto's milk and she drank the milk herself.
Not at all. Don't talk nonsense. What did Dripto say? That we need to search all the rooms. Why should I leave Sanjukta's room? You always talk nonsense. I'll complain to Piku against you.
I'll complain to Piku against you. As if I'm scared of Piku.
No, the bottle of poison is not here. I looked everywhere.